Let's go flying.
Go flying.
Yes.
Woo! Yeah. Got this awesome glider right here.
Best paramotors.
The best. Would you say they're super?
No, they're just the best.
Just the best. Oh man, mic malfunction. That thing checked in better. Got the Ozone Freeride 15. Woo!
Super easy.
Make sure our risers are all straight. Kyle's ahead of me here.
Nah.
Isn't good. Little riser twist, get that out. Quick little inflate, make sure everything looks okay.
It's gonna look super.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. So you're gonna be that way. There we go.
You know, two's better than one.
Two what?
Two pilots.
Oh, two pilots. Hey, slow down, buddy.
Oh, check, check. Oh, you don't have your helmet on. You can't hear.
I've got a little riser issue.
Little issue. Wing bags. Nice pair of orange wing bags. They're nice and pretty.
Okay. I'm good.
Got a nice little bit of wind.
Yeah, a little bit of wind should be nice.
Take our
Excited.
paramotors right out of the back of the pickup.
Thank you, sir. Check, check.
Check, check, I got you.
Oh, you do that there, I gotta wait.
Oh, you're good now, you can do it.
Leg, leg, chest, chin.
Yes, sir.
Try not to lose my lav mic.
Oh yeah, I did the same thing. Make sure you clip in all the way. Clip up. Let it warm up for a good couple seconds. Gotta be nice to the paramotors.
All right.
Ooh, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you.
You didn't have a line tangle.
Oh, that's true. Well, who put that glider away?
Wasn't me.
Wasn't put away super good.
Wasn't me. All right. We are connected. Trims are set.
Connected, trims are set. Go, no go for launch? Is that a thing?
Door, yeah. Door right back clear.
Yeah.
Ace. Center.
Center one more
Come on
time.
up.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ready?
Longest flight I've ever had.
Yeah! Woo!
All right, let's bring them down.
Nice. That was fun, dude.
That was fun.
Shortest flight ever.
Get a
My glider going here. Nice rosette.
Oh yeah.
Throw it on top of the bag. We'll throw the motors away.
I gotta-
Put the gliders away. We're good.
Yes. I got dinner in 5 minutes. We better hurry.
Don't want to be late for dinner at home, man.
I
You
know.
how that is. All right, helmet off. Undo my buckles.
Paramotors in the truck. In the cute little Nissan. I'll get your helmet for you.
Thanks, bud.
Just helping you out. You can't be late for dinner either.
Yeah, bro, no. Definitely not. All right, let's put these cells together. Get this glider put away.
Keep the lines in the middle.
It's good to go. I think we're gonna make dinner.
I know, right? We can't get home too early, otherwise we'll have to make the dinner.
All right. Cinch this bag up. Risers are on top, so it's easy to get out next time. All right, man.
We're done.
All right.
High five.
Driving?
I'm driving. Let's go.
Let's go.